Okay, let's take a look at C++ and in particular inline member functions. So on the left here we have the class definition. The class is called rectangle. It has some private member variables here, width and length, and it also has some member functions. So here we've got two functions here. We haven't declared what they actually do here, so these are just member functions. But these ones here, get width, get length and get area, have been declared fully. So they return the width, return the length and return the width multiplied by the length. So these functions here, these three here, 1, 2, 3, we call inline member functions because we have declared the body of the function inside the class declaration, because the class starts here and terminates there. So they're called inline member functions. Notice they have the constant keyword there. That means these functions can't change any data that they use. So they can't change the width or the length. On the right hand side here we have the main function, and notice at the top of the code here we have declared set width and set length functions here and here. Notice the use of the double colon operator to declare these functions outside the rectangle class, but these functions you have to use the double colon to make these functions a member of the rectangle class. So we go down to the main function or the program, and we define a box object. We define some local variables. We print some strings out to the screen, get the user input and assign that to the local variable here and there. Then we call the set width and set length functions, which are defined here and here, and we assign the user input to the data variables or attributes width and length defined here. Then we print out some more string here, and then we call the get width, get length and get area functions defined over on the left within the actual class. So the get width will just retrieve the width value. The get length will retrieve the length value that the user inputted, and the get area will retrieve the width multiplied by the length. So the output of this program is simply a string. Then we wait for the user input where we type in 10. Another string, we wait for the user input and the user types in this case 5. Another string output, and then output what the user inputted, 10 and 5, and a string there on the left. Then get area, call the get area method and output 5 times 10, which is 50. So that is the use of inline member functions. They're used to sometimes improve performance over conventional functions in some situations.